Guys, hello guys, if you want a part 2 of satisfying things, if I said it twice, it's okay, if you want two parts of satisfying things, like cutting, like, balloon stuff, and that stuff, and water balloon stuff, right now, it's winter. I'll give you a proof of it. Yes, it is winter, and everybody knows it's winter, or some of you guys will be in Florida. That's ice. This is snow. There's icicles. There's some icicles. There's icicles. There's an icicle right there. Right there. And guys, if you want a part 2 of this, us working doing that, so just like and subscribe if you want part 2. So bye, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. So I will show you it's real. This is real water, and this is real snow. This is all over the place. Trees are dead, and so my sister's just throwing snow off the deck. And like and subscribe if you like. I gotta tell them something. What is it? Why not hold it, Sylas? You've been holding it for a long time. Okay.